Hello guys, so boAt has been releasing a lot of hardware these days. They are releasing a lot of audio devices, mostly BTS headphones. So a lot of Airdopes. There are a lot of Airdopes in the market. 4429, 131. We did the unboxing of this boAt 442 very soon, and we'll be doing a lot of reviews of the boAt products very soon. So stay tuned for that. So today we have with us the boAt Airdopes 131, which we will be unboxing and we'll be posting the review very soon. This is Deb and you are watching Life Reviewed. So let me show you around the box and then we'll proceed with the unboxing. Small box, as with all the boAt Airdope headphones. So this has 13 mm driver, so this is really nice. Mostly the drivers that we see from boAt are 8 mm. The next version of this 141, for which we did the unboxing very quite a few days back. I'll put the link of that, you can check that out. So that had 8 mm drivers, so that is quite a downgrade. So this has 13 mm drivers, immersive sound, ASF fast charge, so it charges very quickly. I think in 10-minute charges it gives you 90 minutes of playback. IWP technology, so that's as soon as you open the lid of that, it gets connected with your mobile phone seamlessly. So that's another good thing. In the end, imported and marketed by, all these disclaimers. The side is, yeah, something by Kiara Advani Didi. So on top of that, a barcode. Yeah, coming to the back. So this has Bluetooth version 5.0, a little bit old. The latest one comes with, the latest models come with Bluetooth version 5.2. So this is, I think this is last time model. This sells like, this model sells like hotcakes. If you see in Flipkart, this one has 7 lakh reviews, just reviews. Just imagine on that. The sale must be like 20 lakhs or something like that. So Type C interface, single press voice assistant, total playback is 15 hours on a single charge. That is, if you let's see, I think this is just for the airports and not the case itself. Sleek and ergonomically designed. Yeah, it says ASF charge, as I was saying, 5 minutes give you 90 minutes of uh, 90 minutes of playback time. So boAt lifestyle. Yeah, so as I was saying, package contains one Airdope. So we'll see that in a little while. As I was saying, this is the best selling Airdopes model made by boAt recently, and there is a reason for that. I'll tell you. The reason here is this resembles the AirPods very quickly. We have the black model here, but the white model is, it's totally a clone of Apple AirPods Generation 1. Oh, we have to cut the seal here. Here we go. Careful not to damage it. Okay. White box. So very typical of boAt. Simple white box. A small, very small case. That's nice. Let's see what else is there. There should be a charging cable. So this is good. This has USB-C, not a micro USB. So that is one of the good things. Yeah. USB-A to USB-C. No micro USB. Thankfully, it's a thing of the past now. And what else? So those of you who have been seeing my unboxings know I do not like the amount of paperwork that boAt gives. Lot of wastage of paper. So a sticker called boAthead. I don't know why they give it for. Few cards, again, lot of paper wastage. They should just give one booklet. Again, same thing in every product up there. Sound quality issue. So this is something specific to this earbud control issues, something like a troubleshooting booklet. And this here is the main deal. Again, instruction manual and warranty card, I suppose, or just the instruction manual. Alright, coming to the main device itself, very small, covered with a plastic. Let's remove this. That feeling of peeling plastic, little bit scratched. So yeah, 3 LEDs and micro USB-C. Let me see, is there any buttons? No buttons. So that's a bit so the other boAt, they have button that shows you the charging level. I think when you open it, it shows itself. So when you open it, it glows up. magnetic, quite nice. I think the battery capacity of the case itself is 300 mAh, not that much. So this is the device itself. This is the two openings of the speakers, and this is the charging port here. Little bit of silver accent like the AirPods, and we have an LED here. What's the mic? The microphone, is it a built-in? I cannot see, that must be built-in. And this is not touch, this has button here, sadly no touch. Let me bring out the other one also. Yeah, both of these AirPods have individual mic, so you can use it together or you can use one of those. So that's it for today, guys. I'll be doing the full review of this very soon. Stay tuned for that. I hope you like this video. And one thing I would like to say, please, if you're watching this, please subscribe. I've seen like just 10% of the viewers are subscribing to the channel. It's a simple thing for you, means a lot for us, gives us encouragement. So please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.